Hello inventors, have you thought about turning your ESP32 into a real AI assistant? Well, why not? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Gemini directly on your ESP32. I am breaking this down into two parts tutorial. Today, in part 1, we will get the Gemini running and explain the basic code structure. Part 2 will be a deep dive, where I teach you line by line how to write it yourself and perfect inspiration in your next big project. Hit the subscribe button and let's jump into the AI world. Step 1. We need the keys to the engine. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click the first official link. Once you are in, look for a Get API Key tab and click Create API Key. Check your project or create a new one and copy that key. I can't show my actual key because we need to keep it secure. Once you have yours, open the code provided in the description below and paste your key where it says the API key. We are done the hard work, now let's simplify the code. At the top we have our libraries and definitions. You will see something string variables here. Don't worry, we will break down exactly how these strings format the data in part 2. In setup function, we initialize the Wi-Fi connections. Crucially, we also set up the secure client since Gemini lives on Google servers. We need a secure HTTPS connection, not just a standard HTTP. Now the loop. This might took a bit advanced. The real magic happens in the send to Gemini function. This is the HTTP client library. If you know how to HTTP request work, this is the easy. Essentially, we are packaging our messages, send it to the Google and waiting for Gemini to reply. Enough talking, let's upload the code and test it out. And there it is. I hope you learned something cool today. We just hit the 65 subscribers and my goal to hit 100 subscribers before 2026. So please subscribe to help me go there. And thank you for watching and I will see you guys in next video.